Yes.
Hi, Bridget.
Yeah.
Just wondering if we might be able to shoot the trailer for the tour.
Oh God. What? The what?
The tour. We thought we could just shoot a little trailer, just to like, hey, hi guys, I'm coming to your town. Want to get tickets for the show?
No.
Well, yeah. Those are your tour dates there. So perhaps something for each of those.
Well, I'm not. You want me to read them all out then?
Yeah, because you're going to all those places, so.
Do I have to do this?
Well, it would be helpful, yeah. It would be weird if someone else did it.
We've written the thing and we have to perform it.
Yeah.
We shouldn't then have to go, please come, you know.
Yeah.
It's humiliating.
Bridget Christie, brilliant. Now I want to be menopausal.
What's your message to people who might be thinking about buying a ticket for the rest of the tour?
You should definitely do it. You should definitely. Like, there's no question, is there?
It was amazing. I've been waiting about a year for this. I've cried all my makeup off watching it. Amazing.
I'll do it, okay, but it's awful for us. Absolutely awful. What am I supposed to say anyway? Come and see the show. See you there for a fun time of laughs and snacks with me, Bridget Christie. If it could be quick, that would be great.
Okay, yep, we'll let's get it done, yeah. Sorry, Mrs. Christie, sorry.
Mrs.